In this video, I'll show you how to request money with PayPal. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, requesting money with PayPal is very quick. Say for example, you are splitting a bill, collecting funds for an event, or simply need someone to send you money like your boss or client. PayPal provides an easy way to request payments. And how do we do it? There's two methods. First is go to your mobile device and log in your credentials on your app, or just go to your computer, go to paypal.com and log in your credentials. And once we've done that, simply go here, right? This is how we request, receive, and enjoy. All right. So if you want to request money, all you're going to do is click on the link and it will ask for you to log into your PayPal. And the window would look something like this right here. Send a request. Say, for example, if you click on request, you will be asked to put the account name or account numbers right here. So if, say for example, you have already registered the your client here, it automatically pops up and autofill the request button. Say for example here, and just enter the amount you are requesting. All right, enter the amount and choose the PayPal contact. Enter the amount you need. So for example, $25, and put the message, of course. All right, so that the client or your boss or someone that you're requesting for money is knows that you are doing it, right? And it's like a gentle reminder as well, right? And that's how you request money with PayPal. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.